Hi there, Craig with Travel and Tartan here. Really excited today. I just got my new gimbal in and I can't wait to try it out and see how it works with my GoPro. But I thought I would, before I get started with all that, do a little unboxing video so you can actually see just what's in it, what comes with it, all right? This is the FeiyuTech G6 gimbal. They actually have a few different kinds of the G6. This is just the ordinary G6 gimbal. So we'll go ahead and we'll unbox it and see what happens. All right. All right, so let's take a look and see what we got in here. I can already feel it's a nice hard case actually. Yep, so pretty solid case there, right? Very nice actually. Comes with a handle and zip for opening it. So, all right, let's see what we got. First of all, that's a pretty nice padded cover right there. It's pretty cool. All right, well, this definitely isn't in English, so let's put that to the side and move on. Oh, here we go. Facts. So what we got here, connecting your gimbal camera through the Wi-Fi. All right, pretty simple guide there. What we got here, ooh, hello. It's kind of nice. Let's see, we got warranty card and quick start guide there. All right, pretty simple. All right, let's see what we got here. First thing is the battery. Actually, just looking at it, let's not take it apart yet. This is actually pretty nicely put together. Got a little Velcro strap here to keep it on at this end. You got some bungee stuff going on here. It's actually really nice. It's kind of a hard case there. So it's, yeah, they actually did a pretty nice job keeping this together. So battery here, I think it has a, I don't know if you can see that, it's 500 milliamp battery there. It's pretty hefty. Okay, we've got a little box here, nice to put together. We've got 2 cables and a couple of mounting screws in here. So mounting screws are more of these guys right here. So you can, in case you lose one, I guess, maybe. You've got 2 cables, which I'll go over in a minute. You got your main attraction. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so first things first, one of your cables, this guy right here, you've got a USB-C, mini USB on the end there that actually plugs right into this guy right here, and then the other end of that goes into the side of the GoPro, so you can actually keep your GoPro charged with the battery that you've got inside the gimbal. And then the other one, the other cable, is actually a charging cable for the battery, and it goes right in here where it says USB. So, right in there, beautiful. Okay. So, and that's really about it. Hefty, really nice feel when I'm feeling it. I mean, like I said, I haven't used it yet, so I can't comment on that, but it definitely feels like it's well put together, well built. Looks pretty nice, pretty well machined, so that's kind of awesome. So yeah, there we go. All right, so there you have it. That is the breakdown of what you get with your FeiyuTech G6 gimbal. One thing to note, I did also get this here, which is a mounting plate for a Hero 8. So up to the Hero 7 fits on this as is, but the Hero 8, it needs another mounting kit, just a slightly different one than this. I don't know if this actually comes with this when you buy it. I bought mine from eBay, and maybe they just threw it in as an extra, a wee bung to get you to buy it. I don't know that, but if you do have a 8, then you're going to need to look at a little mounting kit for it. So just keep that in mind. But this is FeiyuTech's thing. It's even got their instructions in it, so it's actually their proper thing that comes with it, not just a third-party one. So that's it. I cannot wait to use this. I'm really excited to use it. but I'm not going to get into that just now because I haven't used it yet. I'm going to obviously use it, do a little video shoot, and do a little comparison with that as well, and then let you know what I think. All right, so that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this was vaguely helpful for you in some way, and feel free to comment below if you had this or used it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What's your thoughts? All right, see you again soon.